Hello beautifuls, how are you today? Today I have these so gorgeous luscious mini lipsticks. I mean, who don't like minis? I mean, seriously, who don't like minis? Okay, I did not bought all the colors because, okay, who don't like minis? I mean, check out the packaging. It's so cool and so nice. I love it so much. Okay, so I have these 5 colors, and all of them don't have numbers, but they have gorgeous smells. I mean, each and every lipstick smells according to their color, not taste. So the color I'm wearing is color 6, this one, and I love it so much. And these are such bold colors that I wouldn't even think of buying these colors, because I mean, seriously, I mean, well, I am a makeup geek, but I do makeup quite sensibly, not going through all that. So I got these 5 colors. इससे पहले golden rose की mini lipsticks हैं, bullet lipsticks mini हैं, and they are also very good. But this one, their formula is so creamy, and I have searching this lipstick on my lips, and my lips are not swollen, I'm not having any kind of issues on my lips. So I'm gonna show you how to apply bold colors, because come on baby, all the colors are not meant for your skin type. So you have to own the color, you have to understand what's your skin color is and transform that color, or make that color according to your face, so it will look pleasant and presentable to you guys. So today's video is, I'm really excited. Applying a lipstick, how hard it could be. You just take a lipstick and apply it, but for me it's kind of a bit tricky. So I apply lipsticks with quite a bit of precisement. So if I apply lipstick like this, I mean, it could be okay for you guys, but I don't like it, seriously. I always like to line my lips first, with a nude lipstick. I don't go, the first step is not to go for the darker colors. So when you are applying a lipstick, always start with a lighter lip color, then apply lipstick. Like this. Just to give it a definition. And now you can leave it like this, or you can apply some lip gloss. sound ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਵੈਸੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ and it's so cool that you can easily go wrong with this